Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Makhowanenonjabulo and you know me as Nonji_M on Instagram and everywhere else. Please don't forget to follow me. Also don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and do share this with your friends. Thank you so much guys for 400 subscribers. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. Without rambling too much and wasting any time, let's install this unit. I hope you do love it. Just to give you a background, this is the wig that I made myself. The tracks at the back are from the company called Mega Looks. You can find them on Instagram and also on AliExpress. And then the frontal parts, I got it in town in Durban, opposite the China Mall or the China store, Leia shop dialer. So I did get it there. It was 750 and it's in 12 inches. And then the hair is, or the tracks are 26 inches. They're 24 inches. They're long, but they do shed quite a bit. There's a lot of shedding, as you can see, but I will show you everything and you will see the construction once I show you the inside. I really hope that you're gonna love this. So today we're doing a hair install. We are installing hair that I made myself. Yes, I made this hair. I had hair from Mega Looks, but then the closure was very questionable. It was otugile, like business jips. And then I bought a frontal. It was a machine made wig. Then I had to neatly undo the tracks, and I bought a closure angel, which is a frontal. And then this is it. This is the unit that we are going to be installing today. It's a curly wig. It is so full. It is very full, and I didn't put all the tracks. I had some tracks left in my faganga, and you would see that the closure is very short. This is a 12-inch frontal and the hair is about 24 inches. So but because they are macros, they blend. If sengi a conditioner, you'll see what it's gonna blend. If it doesn't blend well, I'm going to cut the tracks shorter. There is no big deal in that. So I'm gonna move back a bit and then I'm gonna show you what we're going to need for this install. This is a very beginner friendly install, nothing hectic, nothing difficult. Anybody can do it. So these are the steps that I do to install my wigs. Yeah, so let me show you. Let me put on something on my lips, guys. I don't like dry lips. They look nice, they don't look nice. So if I don't focus on my, I use a Vaseline to lubricate my lips or moisturize my lips. I use the word lubricate because my friends and I, we use that word. Don't mind my hair. I'm still gonna go back to the salon and do my hair. I've been saying that and I haven't been doing my nails. And to say for the one name Vula, if you are from KZN, you know what we recently experienced a heavy rainfall, which resulted in floods and mudslides and landslides, whatever. So yeah, so let me get to this video and show you guys what you're gonna need. I'm supposed to be looking here, but there's also a mirror in front of me, so you need to pick her up. So what I'm gonna need is a bottle of conditioner and water. A bit of conditioner and water in a spray bottle, and then you just shake very well. Then you're gonna spray your hair, and then I'll need a heat defense for the front part where I'm going to be using a hot comb, which is what we're also gonna need. This is just for styling, hot comb. And then we're gonna need a wrapping mousse or a mousse. So I'll use one from ORS, which is the olive oil based wrapping mousse. This is the got-to-be you're gonna use. So other people use a Ghost Bond or it got to be this one, but this one I've realized because this is for the edges. It also says edges, so if I'm going to be doing baby hair, I'm going to use this one. So we're going to have this, and then we're going to need the blasting freeze spray. I hope this is focused. Then you're gonna need a pair of scissors. If you have cosmetic scissors, they're gonna work very well. Tint your frontal or your closure. So I'm using 2 foundations. If you are going to be plucking, but my wig, you're gonna see it. If you want to be fancy, not fancy, but if you want, you need a pair of stocking. I don't have brown ones, those nude, which match your hair or your head, or your skin tone. So I have this black one, of which I'm not gonna use. I don't think I'm gonna use. Vele nje iwi kept meaning bangelistin. Angithandi my listefe yangisinda, but it protects your edges, but my edges don't need protection. Sometimes I go in with my curl activator, which is from Easy Wave. This I usually use on my natural hair, but also on my wigs I gravitate to this with the Ibn Aloma curliana and the Ultra Shine spray, because I love my wigs or my hair with some shine. Toothbrush or edge brush if you have, nama wipes, and that you're gonna use to lay your edges. I've realized because I haven't kuluma fast. There's my comb. I speak very fast, so so my wig construction consists of this strap, whole strap. I made this wig, I told you in there. So it consists of this, and then my tracks from my wig. I think I said that. So I've already tinted my lace with a foundation, and I used a brush. So you just put foundation on your brush, and then you just go over like this. So now we're going to see where our wig is going to stay. People do it differently. Some people firstly put the glue without cutting this front part. Some cut the front and then put the glue, each to their own. So I can use both methods. Nothing is going to distract me from that. So this is my hair. My hair is gorgeous. This hair is gorgeous. One thing about me, I love gorgeous hair. So already from this we can tell we need to cut our earlobes, our hair lobes or earlobes. So we're going to cut this part. So I'm just gonna pull everything back. I'm going to pull everything back. I'm gonna use my hair clips. I have the small ones. Once I have everything back at the back, I'm going to start cutting my hair. So from here you just cut the parts where your ears lie, that you're not going to need when you are laying down your lace. So I'm just cutting it over my ears, and then on both sides uyaqala ukuthi indlebe yakho igcina kuphi or ihamba kuphi, and you just cut. You just need to be careful, guys, so that you will not cut too much, because on this side I think I cut it way in, of which I wasn't supposed to, but to not train smash mustn't don't take kahle kuzoba right. So you have your hair just to keep the hair back. You can use your mousse, so a mousse, just to keep it away from. The hair is pre-plucked, so I'm not really gonna pluck. I'm actually not gonna pluck at all. So now we're working with. I'm going to clean this part. So there's foundation, cause got the Excellent. So you do not put your glue directly on your hair. That is why you guys lose hair on the front. To take my glue. I hope this video is not going to be long. If I feel like it's long, I will actually stay for long. You put 2 layers of this plus the spray. I said 2 layers of this, so just wait until it's tacky and then you put the next layer. Dry very well. It's gonna show this, but it will dry off when you put in what you call in hair dryer. Was just seeing which style I would like to do, and then I just remembered the style that ZX Online had, the half up half down, so I'm going to attempt doing that. But like I said, curls need a lot of moisture, so in a spray bottle mix conditioner and water and then just spray and spray until it is wet, and then just put on some mousse. You're good to go. But let me attempt the style, and yeah. So I'm going to cut 3 parts. Or 4. Okay, as many as I can actually. So I start. Do like a zigzag. You don't cut hair straight. some foundation. So, back here with some good hair. The problem with curls, not the problem, bro, really, but curls needs moisture. Curls would need moisture. Curly hair needs moisture. So I just finished shooting this look. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and commenting. Guys, subscribing is free. I can see the views are very high, but the subscription, questionable. So yeah, thank you so much. I will see you next time. Goodbye.